Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In this video, we will discuss the divisibility rule for 4. For more update, please visit mathstoon.com or you can also check the link given in the description box. Now let's start. The rule is given here. If the number formed by the last two digits of a number m is divisible by 4, then that number m will be divisible by 4. Now we will understand this rule with the help of some examples. The first example is 2140. The number formed by its last two digits is 40, and we know that 40 is divisible by 4. So according to this rule, 2140 will be divisible by 4. Next we have taken 1100, and the number formed by its last two digits is 0. And we know that 0 is divisible by any number. So 0 will also be divisible by 4. Now following this rule, 1100 is divisible by 4. The next number we have taken is 3355. See that the number formed by its last two digits is 55. And we know that 55 is not divisible by 4. So following this rule, 3355 will also not be divisible by 4. So this is the divisibility rule for 4. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave a comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos.